Guys, I'm bored. Me too.
Same.
What do you guys want to do?
I don't know.
Hey guys, what about you guys come to my house? Dude, you say you're homeless, right?
Yeah, I remember that.
So, I don't care. What about you come? Just only one night. We should do.
Yeah.
Oh, fine, let's go. Finally, I can get some rest. Eyeball. What? Can we go Parrot house? Fine, whatever. Yay! Guys, my house.
Are you sure, man? This house looks
Scary. Don't be a bruise. Just come in. Are we sure?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Guys, my house.
Oh.
Why you live with a lot of receipts?
Yeah, that's a lot of receipts.
Oh, that's in my bed.
Oh. Don't you get paper cuts?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, but how do you think my fur is red?
Oh.
Oh. I'm thirsty. Can I go get some water? Sure. I'm scared.
Me too.
What
What the?
The power just off?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Me too.
Okay, guys, I get water. Ooh. What the heck is that?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, that's water. That's what water looks like.
Why is the water like that?
Oh, my water got problems, or I just never paid the pipes. So I just go down and just scoop a little bit, and that's what I drink.
Oh, how are you not dead?
Oh, then I feel like sick, but I just go, go drink river water. And the good part is bubble. What the heck is a bubble? Oh, it's the one the bugs, baby bug, I eat.
You mean tadpoles?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the toilet?
Oh, the toilet is at the, just go outside and go pee.
Okay, I'll be right back.
So, are you going to drink that? No, I'm not thirsty anymore. Shake yourself. I want to get out here.
I hate this place. I could pee over here. So, that feels good. Oh, better. What the? Is that a grave? What died? Ooh. I gotta get out of here!
Oh, the water feels so good. Yeah. What happened?
I saw a grave!
Oh, you saw a grave? Yeah. The grave is my mom.
Oh.
Oh, I feel bad.
Yeah, me too.
Nani?
Do you miss your mom?
A little bit.
Oh.
What happened to your dad? Oh, my dad left me.
But what happened to your mom? How did she die?
Oh, she gave birth to me and she have a problem.
Oh.
What happened to your dad again? My dad left me. Oof.
Oof, that's sad.
Okay, good night.
Hey, where are we gonna sleep?
Oh, you can sleep anywhere. Even outside.
Okay. Hey, dude. I'm just gonna sleep over here, okay?
Okay, I'm going to sleep here. Wake up!
What the?
You hear the sound?
No? What sound?
It's cold like this.
No, I don't hear it. Just go back to sleep.
Okay.
Let me go to the toilet. Parrot? Oh, hi, Parrot.
Hi.
Why is that? Why are you holding scissors?
You know, killing.
What? What? Where's Parrot? Wait, that's just a dream? Where's Parrot? Okay, gotta go find him. Parrot! Parrot! Where are you? Parrot! Parrot! Parrot?
Mom.
Parrot, are you okay?
Yes. Yes. What?
What? I saw you crying.
Oh, it's just nothing. Let's go. Let's go wake up Bird.
Okay. Bird, wake up.
Yeah, wake up. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Ah.
Yeah.
Who's hungry?
Me.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, here's the food.
Uh.
Oh, what food? There.
Is that a bug?
No, it's a slug, you idiot.
I'm gonna go for it. Oh no,
It's
I'm just sick.
Yep. What about you? You want to eat the snails? Okay. Okay, I'll go find ants.
I'm coming.
Hey, Parrot, I find bug. You find bug? Ooh, sweet. You got the good ones. Hey, Arthur, come.
What the heck are these?
There are ants, there are snails, there are slugs, and there are ladybugs. Let's eat them.
I guess I'll try the lazy bugs.
Okay. I'm not feeling good. Well, don't worry, you will get over it.
I think I gotta go vomit.
Me too. Well, bad be luck. I'm gonna be sick. I think we should go home.
Yeah, tell
First, I
Parrot.
need to tell Parrot. Parrot, we're going home. Okay.